overnight success, but I can promise honesty. I started from. Homer drops his donut.
Oh,
If you're a small con.
find it.
Stop scrolling for a second. When the screen flashes purple, try to pause exactly on it. If you actually land it, I'll go out of my way to comment on your video.
There's a catch.
You gotta show proof. Remix this sound, post your clip, and show you really paused on purple. Let's see who actually has fast reactions. Good luck.
Congrats. Congrats. Screenshot this and remix this video. Also, please like the video. Now,